We are going to look at mistakes that you and I might be making when layering our outfits. And these things are a little bit out of style and some are a little bit frumpy. So you might not agree with me. And if you don't, that is a-okay. I always say, wear what you love to wear. So thank you so much for watching, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. So let's look at a long cardigan paired with some crop wide leg jeans, because you know you've seen this. I've seen this a lot. And I think this is a mistake because the cardigan is long and then the pants are short and they're both loose and just look really frumpy together. And then I have on a flat shoe that draws your eye down because it's leopard print. And so you just see all that mess going on down there, and it's just not very flattering. And also I only have on this white scoop neck that you can barely see when I have it closed, and I think I'd be a little embarrassed to take the cardigan off if I got hot, because this isn't very cute. I didn't think much about this. So definitely think about your outfits that are going underneath the cardigan. And so let's look at how to fix this. Okay, so here we are, and my favorite part of this outfit is the turtleneck. And I think putting a turtleneck that is a little bit of a contrast in color is a great way to elongate your upper half when you have something long on. And then I put on the longer wide legs to elongate my bottom half. And so you can see how the proportions look a lot better on this outfit. And I also put on a heel that is a couple of inches here to also give me height. And a lot of these wide legs look better with a heel like this. So this I thought was a perfect match, the outfit underneath for a cardigan like this. And if you look underneath, I would be happy to take this off. I wouldn't have my band on here that holds my mic, but I would totally wear this outfit by itself if I needed to. And it's just a pretty combination that makes all of the items look good, and I look taller, I don't look frumpy, and if you look at the comparison outfit here, you will know that this looks so much better than that one. So now let's talk about sweater vests, because they have become very popular and I love mine, but you can't wear them with as many things as you think you could. And so I tried it with this long sleeve kind of fitted ivory top, and it just didn't work. It's a crew neck, and I think the sweater vest is gorgeous, but it doesn't make the sweater vest look as good as it could. And I just think the sleeves look a little out of place on it. And so there's one fix that I think is a great fix underneath your sweater vest to make them look really, really stylish. So that stylish option is a button-up shirt, and I usually choose a white one, but I wanted to try the denim one and I just loved it because it just gave a really nice contrast to the vest. And I like how the collar of a button-up shirt comes out of the vest, and then you see the sleeve, and you can also roll the sleeve up on this if it's a little bit warm outside, and you can also leave it hanging out or tuck it in. So you have lots of options with these, and I just think it fits with a vest and it just makes it look that much more stylish. And I did pair this whole outfit with some kick flares in a chocolate brown, so I just thought this was a fun outfit, and I think the kick flare definitely helps balance the little bit bulkiness that you get at the top. So I wouldn't choose a skinny jean. If I did a skinny jean, I'd do a knee-high boot, but you can see the comparison here, so we won't get into a styling video, that this is definitely a prettier option, a much more stylish option than that first one. So another really fun way to layer your vest is to take it and put it over the button-up shirt. So I have the white button-up shirt on and then the V-neck vest this time. And then I put it under a blazer, and I actually think the V-neck looks the best underneath the blazer for some reason. And then I just put on a straight leg cuffed jean with a heeled ankle boot. And I absolutely love this combination and thought it was fun, and it'll keep you warm and make you look really cute in lots of layers. So I know you guys are probably thinking that's so 10 years ago, but it's actually so right now too. And the puffer vests have been so popular, and the faux leather ones this season are everywhere. And I loved this one from Old Navy. And I thought it would be cute over this sweater, but if you look at the sweater, it's oversized, it has a dolman sleeve, and there's just a lot of material underneath the puffer vest. So I think we can do better because we look really puffy up at the top. And also the jeans, being skinny jeans, people love tucking these into Ugg boots. And so mine are actually a look-alike from Walmart. But this is a popular combination that people do. And so I want to create a more modern look that actually keeps the vest, and that's it. Everything else has to go. So the biggest change I made to this outfit was the turtleneck. And so this is just a thin cashmere turtleneck that's a little bit closer fit to the body. There's no dolman sleeve. It's a regular seam, so it doesn't push the vest out. And I was even able to button it up. So I think it just makes it a little bit more flattering on the body. And then I added a crossbody bag, which I think gives it some shape on the top half as well. And then the straight leg jeans as opposed to the skinny jeans, because these are a little bit more of a modern fit. And then you can get a Chelsea boot that goes up under the leg of the jean, and these are still a little bit chunky like your Ugg boots, not as, but a little bit more streamlined, and you can put on thicker socks. They even have socks that have fleece lining like your Uggs probably have, which makes them so cozy. So you can still be comfy and cozy, just have a little bit of a more modern and I think flattering look as opposed to the first version that you saw. So let me know in the comments which one you like the best. So I wanted to add a shacket to this video because I think it is a very popular item, although it's not trending. And this one I just got, and it's so adorable with the pink and tan. And the way that you wear a shacket normally is with leggings and a t-shirt and then some sneakers, or if it's cold outside, grab a nice sock, scrunch it, and put on some ankle boots. But this, I think, is a little bit of a mistake with it right now, because I do think there is more of a modern version that you can do to make this shacket stand out and look even better. So I think a fun way to step outside of the box with your shacket is to not wear it as a jacket, but wear it as a shirt. And this one is actually fully lined, like you should wear it as a jacket, but I thought it was so cute just buttoned up as a shirt. And then I put on my straight leg ivory corduroys and a brown boot. And I just thought this was an updated version of how you can wear and not so on trend jacket now, although people love them. They've not been in style for a while, but you can still find a lot of them. And I loved this one, so I just wanted to make it work. And I thought this was a fun way to think a little bit differently about it and not wear it as a jacket like people normally do. So now I want to look at some layers over dresses, because I think we want to make them a little bit more versatile and wear them longer in the fall and winter with tights and boots. And so maybe you take your favorite dress, belt it, and you have a great outfit that looks awesome, and then you throw your favorite cardigan over it. And in my opinion, this is a little sad and droopy. Even if I belted the outside of this, I still don't think it works well. And I want to show you a trick. Instead of pulling out your cardigan and throwing it over your dress, I want to show you something you can do that is a lot of fun that you may not have thought about. So this was a really simple fix that will keep me warm. So all I've done is taken a pullover sweater that has a really nice band here that cinches my waist and threw it over the dress. So I look like I have a sweater and a skirt on, and I'm doubled up and really warm on top, and then you've got tights and boots on the bottom. So this is perfect for wintertime, and then you can throw a long coat over it. And I think this just has a very nice, sophisticated, and put together look. And you can choose a neutral sweater. I chose green because it went with my dress. And just find a sweater that goes really well with your dress and put together a fun outfit like this, and you will love it so much more than the cardigan. I think another really good option to replace that droopy cardigan would be to wear a structured blazer over it. It really shows off the top of the dress, and you can cinch the waist by putting a belt on the outside. And I just think this is a much better look than the droopy cardigan, and it's something that you could wear to dress up or even for a work function. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and if you love this video, please give it a like and also hit that subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.